Okay, so we are in front of a pretty interesting Julia camper sprinter that sleeps 6. And that's one of the first of the kind. I am not allowed to enter, so I will be showing you how it's designed. There's a tower fridge mounted in the front with the standard Dometic 2 cookerware, and well, there is the toilet. Greatly designed seating with folding table and slide out. Pretty much all that you need, just like an Fiat Ducato campervan. On upper part there is the pop-up roof, but actually this is pretty standard and normal. Getting on the back of this sprinter, this is something new and never seen before. There is a double queen bed, I would say, so it's not limited just for 2 or 4 people. Even if you have more kids, this could be pretty perfect for them, and also for a family of 4 or 5 people. That's nice. Let's measure the actual bed so you can understand. Approximately 1.3. No, that's not good. Yeah, it's 1.3. Let's try that again. 1.3. That's let's try again. Almost 1.4. This is a pretty wide bed for a sprinter van. Not bad at all. And also there's the slide out portion, but if you measure from the lower part, an approximate 1.7, so you shall be shorter, or your kids should sleep on this lower part. And then if you lower down the bed on this actual slide out, you will get more room and more space. But this is a pretty clever new design that nobody made it until now, where I found on a sprinter Mercedes van, because we have a pop-up roof for 2 people. Then you can almost fit 4 additional people on the back, but I would rather have kids on the upper part. That's pretty clever solution.